Welcome to my channel Make Money Online. Today topic of earning is to make content or picture or logo by any app you like. I am using PixelLab to make pictures. You can make these pictures and sell on social sites, sell to peoples by social site, Facebook, YouTube or any other. This is PixelLab. In this you can make any picture or logo that will be your product, and you can sell it on different sites. So this video is for those people who don't have any product. You can make your own product by PixelLab or any other app you like, and make picture logos and sell them in good price. Subscribe my channel if you like my video.